Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Python on your Windows PC. So first of all, you just need to open a browser, then go to Google and search for Python download. And after that, click on this www.python.org, which is the official website. Click on this download Python, and this will take you to the latest version of the Python website. And as you can see, here's the option for download the latest version for Windows, which is 3.13.1. So we're going to click on this download Python, and it will start to downloading on my PC. So after completing the download, just go to the folder and double click to open the exe file of your Python. Let's just minimize that. And after that, this will show you to install Python. So first we're going to choose this use admin privilege and also add python.exe to path. Then we're going to choose customize installation. Then make sure to choose all these as check mark here, then click next. Then also, if you don't have this check mark, install Python 3.0 for all users, make sure to check mark this. And this is the location that you will install your Python. So just click on install, and it will start to install on your PC. As you can see, our Python setup was successful. Now we're going to verify the installation is successful or not. To verify the installation, just go to search bar and search for cmd. Then open the command prompt option. After that, you need to type here Python space -- version and press enter. And it will show you that Python 3.13.1 version installed. So if it doesn't show that, that means the install was not successful. But in my case, Python was successful install. So that's it, guys. This is how you can download and install Python, the latest version on your Windows PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.